Hi guys, today we are not going to a park or to do something fun. We are preparing for a hurricane. Right now, Irma is it a category 5?
Is it a 5 or a 4? I think it might be a 4.
I think it was a 5, but when it hit the lands, it turned into a 4.
Okay, so I think it's currently a 4, which is
It's either a 4 or 5. It's pretty bad. We don't really know what's going to happen, but we're trying to plan ahead. So we are going to try to find water, which may be an impossible task, and a few other things. So yeah, we may be staying here, we may be leaving, who really knows? More updates to come, I guess. Later. Our stop was a no-go. Ooh. Literally trying anywhere, even sketchy gift shops.
Did it work?
One of these.
In some random gas station.
Don't care.
God bless the sketchy food market, because guess what they had?
Filtered water!
Woo!
Yay!
Honestly, the best thing that's happened today. Decided we needed a reward after chasing down water all day.
Oh, it's squishy.
Currently holding all of the storage containers.
They're only 84 cents.
They're 84 cents. You really can't beat that.
Hurricane boxes.
We're getting them to put all of our like essentials in if we need to go quickly.
There we go. Organization.
Oh, and also fall decorations because hurricane essentials.
And $1 Halloween socks.
I'm getting regular
Why
socks.
not?
Obviously, our priorities are straight here.
Oops.
Sorry, Mom.
And they have the best like ice cream ever.
We're currently at Shake Shack. Hannah's favorite place.
Better than I thought.
What were you doing?
Checking my bank account.
Oh.
I have more than I thought I was going to.
That's
And
good.
payday's tomorrow.
I've never been so happy to find water in my life. At Palmer_Reynolds, follow her.
That's me. Today was actually a really good day to go to the parks because no one was there. We literally rode Toy Story 3 times, Rock and Roll like 2 or 3. Yeah, besides the hurricane coming,
Oh my god, don't.
it was a good day. So earlier we were just gonna wait it out, got some water, we were chill. Now it's midnight and we are going to Alabama. Or
Packing up right now.
Or somewhere. We're packing up everything. Basically at 8 p.m. they said that it's definitely hitting Central Florida and we're scared, so we're leaving. So there's that. Yeah, more updates to come, I guess. So update.
I'm pissed.
We're actually not going to Alabama. We decided like 2 hours ago to evacuate. We were going to Alabama, but apparently the roads are like chaotic and at a standstill.
They're going 8 miles an hour right now.
We are frantically trying to find flights, and this is the most stressful
I have to
thing.
go to work tomorrow.
New York City with me. Does anyone want to come to New York? It's only $140.
Yeah.
New York, anyone?
I'm serious.
Is it a real flight?
Yes, it's a real flight, and my mom's about to look at
What
hotels.
side are you
Okay.
What side are you on?
Okay.
Yeah, call American. If you can get a thing on that, I'm in.
To where? Go to
New
New
York.
York.
Then to where?
New York and then
We're
to
gonna pull
anywhere.
a tea party.
New York to Italy.
Y'all, I won't.
I'm evacuating to Spain.
They got a lot.
Run with the bulls.
What did your parents say?
Are you?
Once we get to New York,
I'll be here.
Madding, you'll be fine. They'll take care of you.
Wait, what are we saying?
well, they're scared for me to get on the
Literally, look at this. The damage we did in 45 minutes or less is kind of scary.
Frick, Hurricane Irma. Yeah. Frick, Hurricane Irma. You have to censor me out.
I'm not that freaking.
We're sitting there stressed trying to find flights, and now someone says, let's break into our hurricane food.
Frick, Hurricane Irma, you did. Frick, Hurricane Irma, you freaking suck. And I hope you drown in the Atlantic.
Ready, Jordan?
5, 6, 7, 8. Frick, Hurricane Irma. Frick, Hurricane Irma to heck. Hurricane Irma, you freaking suck. And I hope you drown in the Atlantic.
Woo, woo. What do you do when you're about to die in a hurricane?
Make a ditty! Just any page you can get. I'm really scared.
And
Yeah, get ready.
take one.
Go. Keep going. Come right here. Go. Ready, set, run.
Yep.
What do I do? Like, do I just like flail?
Yeah.
Ready? I'll just blow away. Just keep going.
Okay, ready?
Hold down. Are you ready?
Ready, set.
It is 2 a.m.
It's 2 a.m. in the
2 a.m.
morning.
We're playing freaking
We're
What
playing-
Do You Mean?
What do you mean?
When you nod your
What do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Whoa,
What do you mean?
Said you're running out of time. What do you mean? Silence. That was good. Our flight for 5 a.m. So she's going.
It's currently 2:30,
Where's it to, Hannah?
Atlanta, and then Atlanta to Houston, and then drive from Houston to Lafayette. Yay. Thanks, Irma.
Hashtag. We're playing a game about memes, and Hannah's got her life together
What
and is
do you
leaving.
mean, Hannah?
What do you?
Bye. Have fun in
I
Houston.
hate you, but like.
It is, what's the day? Friday. It's Friday. I got a call this morning from my dad at 5 in the morning that he's coming and Pilot's coming to pick Christy and I up at 2. So right now we're trying to finish packing everything. I need to go to CVS and get some Dramamine because I hate flying, and that's how we're getting out of here. So it has been a whirlwind, but we are going to evacuate. We have a safe way to get home. Everything is all packed up. We literally have an empty room. Our closet is slammed full of stuff because it's far away from the window. And everything else is up on my bed so it won't get, hopefully, water damage. And so yeah, I'm going to get some drugs from CVS to survive this flight, and then some food, and then we are leaving. Bye, Patterson. See you in a few days. I'm in the car because we are at this sketchy place called Kissimmee Jet Center. Literally this shack. And we're waiting to get picked up. Here's our ride on Florida. I'm terrified. You'll be fine.
We're breaking free.
Survived.
Praise Jesus, we're on the ground.
We're on the ground. We made it to South Carolina. We're not
My
in
heart-
hurricane weather. Christy didn't have such a great time, but
Yeah, my stomach only dropped like 1,000 times.
I slept through the vast
Same,
majority.
just landed.
But now we're going home, and I'm so excited
Yeah.
to be on the ground, not in Florida where the hurricane's hitting.
It wasn't as bad as I expected.
Like 4:30 or 5 in the morning, and Christy spent the night here last night with us. She has a flight out of Columbia going to Mississippi this morning at 6:30, so we're taking her to the airport. This is the best part of being home, isn't it, buddy? I missed you. Mowgli, are you glad I'm home? Oh. It is 2:30 in the morning. Irma's going to Orlando right now, and I can't sleep because I'm worried about my roommates and my apartment and my coworkers and everything else. So I'm just sitting here trying to watch the live footage on the Weather Channel app. It is 5:47 and I'm headed back to Florida, and I could not be more excited. We're in Savannah right now. I don't really know how far away that is because I'm bad with directions. But so far there hasn't been traffic too bad, but there is no gas. Absolute insanity here. There's cars lined up for like 4 or 5 cars for one pump. People filling up all these gas cans. No thanks. Waiting in this insane line to get gas, which is so long. Oh wait, they left. There used to be cops there because lines were so long, but I guess they left, so. I met Hannah and her mom in Lake City, and they brought me the rest of the way, and it took quite a while. The traffic was horrendous. And now I'm back. It's midnight, and I have a crap ton of stuff to unload that I packed up for the hurricane.